Hi, everybody. It's Camila Rose, and I'm here for our February 1st paycheck, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and all of that good stuff. So, I have redone some things. So, there's some adventure to be had in the realm of getting everything together and done for this budget. So I'm happy to come and share this with you all. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and mark that bell so you can get notifications for when I post again. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's get going. So we have our first section, our paycheck date. It's going to be January the 22nd, 2021. And our first section is going to be envelopes. It's $300 for the budget. Rent, $960. Adobe, that's going to be $35. Electric, that's going to be $100. Banfield, that's going to be $50. Sinking funds. Now, sinking funds is what has changed. Sorry, just realized I was so far away speaking to you all. Sinking funds is what has changed. So instead of it being 92, it is now going to be 117. And this is going to include sinking funds. So sinking funds 117. This is going to include my usual sections, what I'm adding, so the 92. And then what I'm adding is going to be $10 for Canva. So that's going to be 102. $10 for technology. So that'll make it 112. And then $5 for health, and that's going to make it 117. So that's going to be my new sinking funds, which also meant that I then had to add new envelopes, which I am making. They're currently curing, so the glue is setting on those. And then we have sinking funds. And then we have giving, which is $12. And then we have school loans. So some of my school loans are not federal loans, so they are not on hold. And I pay $40 towards those. I pay double what is owed just so that I can get ahead a little bit, even though it's not a substantial amount, it's something. So I have all of these that are getting taken care of. And I was waiting, honestly, to make this budget because I wanted to know if I was going to need to pay back school loans or not. Because if I did, that was going to change up my entire budget. It was going to make it so that I would have to redo pretty much everything so that I would actually be able to cover the school loans and what I would like to pay for school loans and then what I would like to have for the upcoming rest of the month for my other goals. So now that that's all done, that will even out and that will zero me out for the month. And then we will have our sinking funds stuffing. So that will be my next video. Oh, no, I need to do my envelopes. I was like, I feel like there has to be something else that I have to get done. We need to do our envelopes. All right, so now we have envelopes. And we have our electronic envelopes. We have a food section, a gas section, a home, which has just stuff I need for the house, including pet things, beauty. So things that I need for like the bath or makeup or anything like that. entertainment, which is just my kind of fun money, clothes, and then travel. And so the amount that we get for week 1 is $50. And rollover for the gas, my little notebook that I use. Let's see, let's also maybe pan out just a little so we can see. Okay, it's a little better. All right. My messy. Born to Wonder, that's the travel section. Here we go. Food. As you can see, I track everything. So food had a whole 24 cents to roll over. So that's $50.24. And we'll add that in there. So 01-22 pay plus 50, 50.24. Then we have gas. And gas actually will be updated a little. So I've already taken out the $30 because I just like to have 500 in here, but 01-22 pay plus 30. And so it'll be 530.58. I need to fill up this week, so that 30 will probably go to that filling up, and then that $30 roll over 500. I think it's 58, and then total 530 and 58. Any that I have left over, I'll just leave in there until the next time I go ahead and get paid, and then I will take that whatever is over 500 out, and I will move that to some of my other things that I'm working on. So then I have home, and is this home? This doesn't feel like home. Oh, it is. Yeah. So 01-22 pay plus 35. So that leaves me with 57.74. So our total is 35. Rollover is 22.74. 57.74. Then we have beauty. And in the beauty section, we get 15 every week. And then our rollover is 23 and 20 cents. And so that leaves us with 30, almost said 20, 38 and 20 cents. And we'll fill in our spreadsheet right here, 01-22 pay plus 15, 38.20. Entertainment. And I don't fill up these. Well, I do fill them up, but not everything gets money every week. Only these first 5 do. So entertainment gets $20. And so rollover was $6.78, which leaves us with $26.78. Update my log. Pay 20. Leaves us with $26.78. All right. Now these are the ones. Clothing gets every paycheck, and then travel just gets once a month. Oh, and we're not filling up travel this time. We fill up travel next time. So I won't add anything to travel. So clothing is $25. Rollover is $20.09. That gives us $45.09 total. And this is great because I need to go shopping for underwear. So now I have money to go and do that. And we'll just update this. 22 pay, 01-22 pay plus 25. And that's 40, $45.09. So yay. All right, so now my envelopes are updated. My log for envelopes are updated. I pulled out the $30 so that I would be able to even out the gas because I'd already had 30 in there. I took that 30 out, added another 30. It's just like a revolving $30. And then I need to update in my sinking funds, sinking bowls. I'm going to add that $30 to there. And then I'll update my sinking fund. So, I actually have my sinking fund here and my dry erase to updates because I made a dry erase form for this because I'm always going to be tracking sinking funds and I feel like it's a waste of paper to constantly have to go and purchase or to print out new sinking fund papers when I can just update them on this form. So, sinking bowls. It was at 70. I have already added more to this, so I'll take the 30 out just so we can see how much we had and then see where we go from there. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, and now we're, oh wait, I had an extra 20. All right, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, now plus 30. And, all right, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 20, 25, 26, 27, 127. The next sinking bowl that I want is going to be 140, and that's with shipping. So I have just a little bit of ways to go. So once I hit that 140 for this, I will go ahead and order my shipping or my sinking bowl. So that's really exciting. So now I just put this back into my little set here. And that is it for my envelope stuffing. Cash envelope stuffing for my electronic accounts, updated any of my savings. And my next video will be on the sinking funds and I will be doing the cash stuffing for those. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hopefully commenting. Let me know what you think about the system that I use. If you have any suggestions. The one thing that I am really aware of is that I have a lot of sinking funds. I have a lot of things that I'm saving for, money I'm putting aside, and it works pretty well. So I'm going to continue with that system, but I'm always open for additional information or guidance or things that have worked for others. So that's going to be it for me. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in a couple of days for the sinking funds update. Have a great one. Bye-bye.